All right, has your Tempera 24, the Stiebel Eltron tankless water heater stopped producing hot water, or are you getting warm water? Um, it may be this. Odds are it isn't. It's the flow sensor, which goes right here, where my little finger is between the two copper pipes. You can replace that. I can never find the instructions online anywhere. It might be on their website, but anyway, I called them. They helped me answer the phone, which is amazing in today's world. And they stepped me through, and I have the motherboard here. It flashes green when no hot water is running through the system, when I'm not drawing hot water. And when I draw hot water, this little thing down here, the flow scent control, beep, it click, 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 and then the motherboard is flashing green, yellow, green, yellow, green, yellow, green, yellow. Normally, without me drawing hot water, it's going green, green, like, and she said on the phone that that's normal, that the motherboard's getting power, blah, blah, blah. And I do get flow through the system. I can run hot water from the hot spigots through multiple locations. So flow is still good. It's just a lukewarm, a little above room temperature. So it's not heating. And on the display, I do see just the digital readout of the temperature. And under there's a little square for power. That doesn't light up. I don't know if the motherboard got zapped with a power spike, but I did order a new one of these. You can test yours. You can see some kind of buildup in mine. But when you blow in it, you can hear like a wee, just like that, a piggy. You can't really hear it, but that little part spins in here. Mine spins. It doesn't spin as good as a new one, but it still spins. So, and I even checked the continuity. You can check pins 1 and 2. Pins 1 and 2 right here. It's a 3-pinner right there. I don't know if you focus. Pins 1 and 2. Put continuity, sorry, on your multimeter, and you hear the beep, and that looked fine. I figured, this thing is fine. I went, oh, crap. I was waiting for all day for UPS to come, tracking them. They came. I put the new one in. Like I said, I used olive oil on these O-rings and this washer to make installation easier. What you have to do is on this nut down here, where the cold water comes in, is I had to loosen that. They don't say that here in the instructions, but here are the instructions. I could not find them online. But having read the instructions, I had to loosen this nut, and I had to loosen this mounting bracket and this mounting bracket on the motherboard. So what? I could slide this up so this little part came out of the top piece right here. And then it sits like this in here in that unit. And then you pull out that little clip, boink, and then you just come out like that, kind of twist it, and it comes out. Anyway, the whole point of this video is you can call them and they may walk you through it, but odds are it's not this part. I mean, I think the odds are not in your favor to spend $40 and wait 4 days. Nothing against them, but they should have a better troubleshooting code on their freaking motherboard. When you're flashing green for good with no draw on the hot water unit, and then you draw hot water and you get a green yellow, they have no clue what that means. They really don't. And as a computer guy, I'm thinking it's not that freaking hard to indicate a fault on what is broken. And it just drives me nuts. I don't know. Just make something simple. I understand you want to make crap so it breaks, so you buy another one down the road. It's a recurring customer's thing. It just drives me nuts. Stiebel, do better. Sig Heil, right? You Germans, come on, man. Do better. Oh my God, you guys used to make great weapons and stuff. What happened? Oh my God. See, I'm a little ticked. But anyway, here's the instructions for the Stiebel Eltron unit. This did not work replacing it. Don't waste your time. I went and bought another unit. Why? Why did I buy another unit? Out of frustration. I just did not want to deal with a new hookup and setup with the piping on my inlet outlet of the hot and the power unit coming in with 250 amps. We got 4 cables hooking into this bugger. So 250 amps. What do you call it? Oh my God, circuit breakers coming in. And boom, I just wanted to be a swap. And of course, they changed the model. This is the Tempera Plus. You get this little flow. Who cares? Make it simple. Quit adding stuff to it that breaks like a motherboard. I don't understand it. Anyway, it works when it works. But I don't know, guys. If you buy one of these things, prepare to make it last. Let's see. You're lucky if you get... I'm going to say you're very lucky if you get at least 6 years out of these things. I don't know what a regular tank water heater lasts, but yeah, this is interesting. So welcome to the club. Here you go. There you go. How you replace it. Big deal. My advice is, how much is your time worth? You can do this yourself. Turn the power off. Don't get fried. Check with a meter to make sure there's no juice going through it. Blah, blah, blah. You can do it yourself. But my advice is buy a new one and be done with it. I just wasted the whole day waiting for this to come in, and it did not do the trick. Now I got two. I got a new one, and I got an old one that works. And I have to look at the new unit I got and wonder if they have one of these. So if it does go, I can just try one of these. Anyway, fun with home ownership. My advice is, do not buy a home. Just rent. It's cheaper. No HOA fees, no maintenance fees. You're just paying rent, and you can get up and go whenever you want. Exactly. And you don't have to worry about insurance going up. Maybe your rent goes up a little bit, but there's laws against that. Yeah, I'm a little turked about this. I'm just so sick of owning a home. All right, I am out. On that note, here's your Stiebel wisdom for the day. I know, is any other brand better? Rheem? No, they're all crap. All right, I'm out. Bye.